Marubozu. Now it looks like this, the white candle you are seeing. Marubozu is a long and a normal candlestick, nothing extraordinary, red or green, but with no shadow or tail. So on that day, you're not seeing any shadow, that is any low or any high. In Marubozu, the high and the lowest point of the day are represented by the opening and the closing prices. So the opening will be the low and the closing will be the high in a like bull candle, in a green candle. This pattern is considered a continuation pattern. So whatever the trend it is like going on, let's presume you are bullish. So Marubozu, if it happens to come in your chart, then it means the trend is continuing and you don't need to worry about anything. So it's a simple pattern that helps you understand what really is happening in the market and if you're trading correctly or not. Now, let's look at Marubozu on chart so that you can see how it really looks like in real charts. Marubozu. Now, a Marubozu candle doesn't have an extreme wick on the high side or on the low side. It's just a flat candle, but it could be green or red. Now here the example is green candle. If you look at it, the open it's 146.76 and the low is 146.76. The high is 148.98 and the close is 148.96. So there is no extreme wick. There is no wick as well. Just 2 cents is not even a wick. So it's simple. Without wicks, a green or black candle, that's what Marubozu is. And it's a continuation pattern. Example, it was rising up. So it made a green candle up and it was continuing up. If it was falling, and let's presume this is a Marubozu, although it's not, so it's considered a bearish pattern. Let me find here. Yeah, this is also a Marubozu. If you look at it, the open is 146.87 and the high is 146.87. So no wick on the high side. The close is 145.01 and the low is 144.94. So only 6 cents. That is a Marubozu. And if you look at it, it was in a falling trend and this Marubozu made it like after that it again fell off. So it's a continuation pattern. It doesn't represent bullish or bearishness. What it represents is it's following whatever the trend it is already like going through. So it just confirms you that the trend is not changing. It remains the same. That's what Marubozu is. Thank you.